Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money to Turkey using TapTap Send. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your TapTap Send account, you will be on your home page. So from here, the first step is we need to select Turkey as a recipient's country, and we do that by just tapping on this country menu right here, scrolling down to the bottom and then selecting Turkey right here. Now next up, you have an option to add a promo code if this is your first transfer. So if you use the promo code from the description below, you will get $15, euros or pounds depending on your currency on this first transfer using TapTap Send. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds, because once you make your first transfer you won't be able to use a promo code again. And now let's go ahead and continue. So to continue with the transfer, next up you would need to select the currency that the recipient receives. So you do this by tapping here, and then you can switch between these three currencies. So you have Turkish lira, euros and USD. So for this example, let's say I will select euros, and then I will input the amount of funds that I would like to transfer to a recipient in Turkey. So let's say about 20 euros. Next up, I will tap on next. Then you would need to add an actual recipient. So just go ahead and tap on add recipient. And here, if you selected euros, you have two different options. But if let's say you select Turkish lira, you will get an option for a bank account also. So depending on which currency you select, you will get different options. But let's say that I want to send money to an actual bank account in Turkey, then I will select bank account, and here you will need to input the full first and last name of the recipient, then select a bank, so let's say this bank right here, and then you would just need to input their bank account number and then confirm that same bank account number again. Let's go ahead and quickly do that. Now, once you inputted all the information required, just go ahead and tap on next right here. Then this screen will load. So here you have one last chance to add a promo code by tapping on add a promo code here. So right here, all you would need to do is just tap on pay right here, but be sure that you connected a payment method before doing so. So I have it with Google Pay because it doesn't have any fees. Now just go ahead and tap on pay with Google Pay, and this transaction will be sent to a person that you inputted in Turkey. So essentially guys, that's how you can transfer money to Turkey using the TapTap Send app without any fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.